This electronic shift lever operates differently than a conventional shift lever. To operate it, first turn the ignition switch on. Then depress the brake pedal and press the electronic shift lever button and move the shift lever from the park position. Push the shift lever all the way forward, past the point of resistance, and release to engage reverse. Pull the shift lever all the way back, past the point of resistance and release to engage drive. To switch to neutral, push the shift lever slightly forward or pull it slightly backward for a half a second. Do not press the electronic shift lever button. To put the vehicle in park, press the park button after the vehicle is completely stopped. Pressing the park button places the transmission in park, but does not apply the parking brake. In addition to placing the transmission in park, always apply the electronic parking brake. The park position engages automatically when the driver's door opens and the vehicle is stopped or moving very slowly. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.